introduce a unique concept as far as Goa's Raj Bhavan is concerned. He says that Raj Bhavan should be Lok Bhavan. Now, what do you mean by Lok Bhavan? To understand all these things, we have taken special permission and special time from Governor himself, who will be talking to us and showing us around Raj Bhavan. We are at Cabo Palace right now, and we have with us Governor of Goa. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. First of all, thank you very much for giving us opportunity to shoot here. You spoke about Raj Bhavan's being Lok Bhavan. Can you just elaborate more about that?
I never use such a way, but the present Bihar governor, he visited here, evaluated the situation, and in a public function he declared that this Raj Bhavan now become a Lok Bhavan peoples. Because my village tour and other things, thereafter downtrodden people, orphans and HIV affected, all are allowed to come here, and it is a very beautiful place. First time in their life history, they got a chance to come here and enjoy here. And in Raj Bhavan gate, our secretary received them for these orphan children and youths, and given some chocolate, some flower, just like VAPs we receive. And along with me, they share the food, and they 2-3 hours they spend here. By complying the restrictions, we allowed them to have few hours very happily. And in addition to that, for distributing in the street, every 1 week, 1 day in every week, Rajban is providing food for the public through a service organization.
Okay, for needy people.
Then cancer patients and this certain section, specific sections of people suffering chronic diseases also. Later, some papers like Times of India or other newspapers, they also even Bhavan's journal, they issued an important article. They published an article on Raj Bhavan. There also they stated that Raj Bhavan is lawful. So that is the concept bestowed by the public to that, and I was not a party to that.
Sir, when we speak of Raj Bhavan and especially Cabo Palace, this is a significance, and everyone wants to see Cabo Palace from inside. This is one structure which is located, I think, 3 sides there is water. You are also speaking about opening this place for
So,
people to.
as a public worker and individual, my mind is always insisting to allow the public also to come to the Raj Bhavan, see all these things. This is public in the public domain. If within, by restricting, of course, legal formalities are there, restriction on the basis of security aspect and other things. By complying, adherence to that, I think I am making a proposal. Even I will discuss with the higher ups.
This is right now we are lucky to see this view.
Yes, yes.
This is, I think, one side is Mandavi, another side is Arabian Sea.
And the other
Right.
side is also
That side is Arabian Sea.
no other Suwari River.
Zuari.
One side Suwari River, other side Mandavi River, and on the this is a western side Arabian Sea. So joining three this beautiful trees and sea joining together here.
This is one of the most scenic places in, I
Yes,
think.
yes, yes. This is the oldest Raj Bhavan in India, 450-year-old, and Portuguese rulers constructed it, and architecture and other things, and they are so beautiful.
So right now we are outside, I think, a place which is nationally very important and sensitive. This is the
Yes, yes.
Cabo.
It's an historical place.
No, but this room is what we are going to see
So
is Cabo.
normally Cabo room is being for Rashtrapati, Uparashtrapati, and the Prime Minister. and the other four guests also facilities are there. And as a governor, I am residing here. If necessary, I put a suggestion. I will have to shift to the adjacent some house and I will control everything. I can daytime I can spend here because of the security reasons. Governor is staying here. It is impossible for give a free hand for visitors.
But this Cabo, can we see here? So
Only
this is
from the here.
from the outside. This is highly important place where whenever there are
All
presidents.
discussions and other things, international representatives and others, and higher ups from Delhi, etc. are coming. Government is also using here for discussions and other things.
Okay, so Goa is one of the most important.
Yes, yes, sir. Important decisions also taken from here.
Any president had stayed here during.
Oh, the President Ramnath Kovind, 4 or 5, not 4 or 5 times, 6 or 7 times he stayed here. So, in front of Raj Bhavan, during the last birthday of our Honorable Prime Minister, 72 Vamana Vrikshas were introduced here, and our aim is within 1 year, this will be the biggest, finest Vamana Vriksha Udyan in India. The term Vamana Vriksha Kala, so Vamana means shortest from our history. Vamanan, shortest. Vriksha means tree. Kala means art. So about 5,000 years back, this concept of Vamana Vriksha Kala was a part of our Ayurveda and other things. But through Buddhist monks, it went to China, and from thereafter it reached Japan. Now Japan, given about 300 years back, given the name bonsai, and now bonsai is known everywhere in the world. But in India, this we start first time attempt in India like that as Vamana Vrikshagala. Within 1 year, this will become a garden with the rarest bonsai and other items. This is one of the initiatives taken by the Raj Bhavan on the 72nd birthday of our Honorable Prime Minister. And there are 4 other identical items also, altogether 5 items. Other is Shweta Kapila Goshala. Shweta Kapila white cows originated from Goa, peculiar Goan type of cows. We are protecting now 20. That also started in the on the date of birth of our Prime Minister, on 71st birthday of our Prime Minister in 2021. 71 jackfruits were planted there, and I can say within 2 years, 1 or 2 trees are now jackfruits are there, even though only 2 year old. So such a garden is there, and medicinal plant also orally one is there. That is also we updated, and more items are introduced there. Aushadhi Vadiga is there, and fifthly orchid also garden is there. All these 5 gardens are in fact in the name of the birthday of 71st and 72nd birthday of our Prime Minister, and our commitment to the Prime Minister is also a motivation behind it. And if Goa government also giving their concurrence or on the basis of a discussion, I think this Raj Bhavan and these 5 gardens would attract the tourists, and in a way we are going to contribute much for the
Darbar Hall. This is one
Yes,
of the most important place as far as swearing in.
So the historical, this is a history is vested in this room, and historically very important. As far as the administration of Goa is concerned, from during the last 400 years, everything being controlled from this by governors, Portugal governors, and thereafter also lieutenant governors and present governors are also doing their meetings. Meeting important people are here.
So, swearing in, most of the swearing ins have happened
Sharing also happened here.
before New Darbar also.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so I think you have given oath to almost two chief ministers.
No, no.
One.
My swearing function was the from that prime minister also attended in that Shyama Prasad
Shyama Prasad.
stadium. But decision and declaring and other things was done by the present
You
chief
yourself
minister.
took oath here in this as a governor.
Yes, yes, that from Raj Bhavan, separate pandals and other things were there.
On the term.
Bigger.